So today topic is a matrix in C++. Okay, my name is Sachin Sharma, and we are going to study matrix, how to write a matrix code in a C++. So matrix means these are the rows, and these are the columns. Okay, if these are the m into n means number of rows into number of columns. Okay, so how to initialize? Initialization of a uh, matrix in the C++. So we initialize the um, matrix in C++ with the help of a vector. Okay. Then how initialize? Then initialization means a vector means, let's say a vector int and this into matrix. Let's say again means, if I will write cleanly, and how I will write, let's see. Let's see. So vector inside a vector also for integer, and let's say its name is matrix met. So let's initialize mat equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Vector means it is a dynamic array. We can grow as we need. So if we initialize, take a vector, inside that vector another vector is there, and it store the integer values, a name of this matrix met. So we initialize, this is a 2D vector. Okay, because we are using two vector inside vector. So one, it is a first row, it is a second row, it is a third row. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. In this way we can initialize the vector. Okay, initialize the matrix with the help of a vector. Okay, so how to find the number of rows? If I want to find how many rows are there, so how can I find? We can find with the help of integer. Let's say one variable number of rows is this, and we can simply do matrix dot size. If we do matrix dot size, it will give a number of rows. Okay, m into n, so it will give m. So if I want to number of columns, so if I want to calculate number of columns, m into n, so I want to know this n. So how can I do? So I can do in this way. If it is a number of columns are not are stable or uniform, so I can do, I will reach to the one row, and I can find the number of element in a one row. Okay, so number of element in a one row is equals to number of columns. Number of elements in a one row, particular row, equals to number of columns. Okay, so how can I do? Integer, let's say number of columns, matrix, let's say zeroth row, and zeroth row size. Okay, so this will give the number of columns, zeroth row, zeroth row size. Okay, so how can we transpose this? Let's say, take, I want to transpose of this. Let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So I want to transpose means this is a matrix and this is the matrix transpose. Okay, so number of this row become a this column, and this row become a this column, and this row become a this column. Row become a column, column become row. So I want this matrix with this. Okay, so how can I do? So I will use two loops for it. Will go number of rows 0 to rows minus 1. It will take one by one this. Okay, and inside this first loop we will run the second loop from uh, I plus 1 to columns. Okay, columns minus 1, number of columns minus 1. So we will swap. What swap? We will swap the matrix I and J with matrix J and I. So let's see what is happening here. So first check first 0, zeroth row for this. Okay, I plus 1. I plus 1 means 0 plus 1. So we are doing on this. Okay, to this, and minus 1 means number of column we are doing for this, and we are swapping this element with this, because this is the, let's say this is the column 0 1 2. So this is the 1 comma this is a 0 comma 1 row, and we are this is a 1 comma 0. So we are swapping this and this and this and this. Okay, so we are swapped this and this and this. Same way we are swapping these elements. Okay, again this and these are the diagonal element will not change. Okay, diagonal element will not change. So this is how we can transport the matrix. So how to reverse or sort the particular row or 3 4 5 6 4 5 6 7 8 9, how we can reverse the any particular row. Okay, so let's see how to reverse. Then we will use the reverse function in the C++. Then we can take any particular row. So matrix, let's say we are swapping this row, first row, dot begin, and matrix first row dot end. Okay, in this way we can reverse, and we can also apply the sort function in same way. Okay, so we can reverse and sort any particular row in this way. We can put here the row number, so we can reverse. So it will become a 3 2 1. If we reverse this 4 5 6 7 8 9, so we reverse the first row. So how to sort or reverse the column? Okay, how to sort and reverse the column, it is some tricky point. So it is not easy like a row. So what we will do, let's say we 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we want to reverse this. Okay, let's say we want to reverse this. We want reverse 8 5 2 in this way. Okay, so what we will do, we will apply for loop int I equals to 0, k equals to n minus 1, and I is less than k, and I plus plus k minus minus. It is a hybrid for loop in which the two variables are combinedly run at the same time. So we initialize if I equals to 0 means we are reversing the 0th column. If we want to first column, this column, then we will make this 1. Okay, so what is a function inside this? So swap, we will swap, we are swapping matrix I j with matrix k and j. J will not change. Okay, J is a column number which is not changed, means J is this, and I is changing from I and K. So I is a 0 here, 0 means this, and K is this. So K will move like this way, and I will move like this way, because 1 I is equals to 1. Okay, I is equals to 1. So let's see what is happening here. So we are swapping this element with this. Okay, so swap, and this is start from 0 only. This will start from 0 only, because we are want to reverse this. Okay, and if we want to revert this column, then make it depend on this J. Okay, so reverse. So 0 reverse with 8, and it will run till I is less than K. Okay, so in this way we can reverse the uh, column. Okay, and so sort function we can apply, but not in this way. Okay, so this is how it is working.